Describe how the bundled toothpicks below can represent three different decimals, depending on which base 10 unit one toothpick represents. So here I have some singles, six singles, and then I have four bundles, and then three super bundles. So if each toothpick represents one, this is probably the easiest um, way to interpret. Okay, so that's one toothpick. We're going to let that equal one. Okay, in that case, this number, these are tens and these are hundreds. Okay, each of my bundle is 10 toothpicks and each super bundle is 100 toothpicks. So this would be 346. Okay, and I'm supposed to do this three different representations. So what if I let each single toothpick represent 0.1? It's 1/10. Okay. That means that each of my bundles of 10 equals 1. And that means that each of my super bundles, I don't know if I can draw these. Right, each of these super bundles would be 10. So now these are tens, ones, and tenths. So my number would be 34.6. And if I let each single toothpick represent 100th, okay, then each of my bundles where I have 10 toothpicks, 10 hundredths is a tenth. Okay, and then each of my super bundles, I'm just going to draw that for short to represent this rubber band here. Okay, so each of my super bundles is going to represent one, right? Because I have 10 bundles of 10. That's 10 bundles of tenths. 10 tenths makes a whole. Okay, so that means that these are hundredths, these are tenths, these are ones. So this is 3.46.